Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified of future videos. The link is just down there. What we're going to look at today is the latest Panzerwrecks volume. This is Panzerwrecks 21. Okay, so let's have a look inside. This obviously is, like I said, volume 21 of Panzerwrecks, and go through. It's the usual type of photographs. Sometimes not the most in focus photographs or the clearest, but they've all got something unique about them. I'll just go through. Most of these photos are they're all Western Front. From 1944-45, quite a few post-war photographs like this one from August 1945. Photographs of different views of things. This one's Nuremberg, August 1945. And all the explanations are really good. There's plenty of information in them. Points out all the interesting bits and pieces in all of them. Colour plates, where they've colorized a black and white photograph. Like I said, all of these are, I think there's one with a Russian soldier on it, but the rest of them are all from Western Europe, 1944-45. Quite a few post-war photographs where wrecked vehicles weren't cleaned up till much later. There's all sorts of vehicles here. If you go to the link underneath the video with to the website, there's a big list there of all the different types of vehicles that are covered in here. There's the one photograph with a Russian soldier. This one's from Austria. And more Jag Tigers. And then Panthers. And there's lots of interesting photographs. Lots of good stuff for modelers. You can see how the vehicles, how they weathered, where the mud stuck to, where the rain streaks were. Lots of ideas for dioramas too. This one was captured by the Free French forces. And lots of family portraits after the war on vehicles. A complete US technical intelligence report on an SDK 304. That's internal photographs. And back to more wrecked panzers, as the title suggests. A Stug used as an armoured recovery vehicle by the Allies. Then close-up information for the colour plate of a Tiger 1. This one obviously is, these were taken when the action was happening. This was April 1945. And coming down. And then we get through to the end almost. Lots of really interesting photographs, close-ups. We get to the end, 96, 97 pages of mostly unpublished, previously unpublished photographs with some really good details. So it's a nice addition to the Panzerwrecks series. As I said, this one's mostly, this one's all Western Europe, 1944, 1945. And the best place I found to get these is actually from panzerwrecks.com themselves. So, really good book and well worth having in your library.